In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Getquin subscription. If you've decided it's time to stop your plan, I'll walk you through the exact page to use, how to enter your details correctly, and what confirmations to look for so you know it's done. Start by opening your web browser and going directly to https www.getquin.com unsubscribe. Type it carefully into the address bar and press enter. Make sure you see the secure lock icon and the URL spelled exactly as shown. This ensures you're on the official Getquin site. The page you land on is built specifically for handling cancellations via your account identifier, so you won't have to dig through multiple menus. Once you're there, add your user ID in the field provided. Your user ID is the unique identifier tied to your Getquin account. If you're not sure where to find it, check your profile or account settings on the website or in the app. In many cases, you can also spot it in your profile URL after opening your profile page. Copy it precisely and paste it into the field. Take a moment to double check for typos, missing characters, or extra spaces before and after the ID. If you manage more than one account, confirm you're entering the ID for the account you actually want to cancel. For privacy, avoid sharing this ID publicly. Keep it between you and Getquin. With your user ID in place, click Unsubscribe from all. This action submits the cancellation request for everything linked to that ID. You may see a quick confirmation prompt. Go ahead and approve it. Afterward, look for either an on-screen success message or a confirmation email. Save that confirmation or even take a quick screenshot so you have a record of when the change took effect. Typically, if you've already paid for the current period, access will continue until the end of that billing cycle and then stop without renewing. If you don't see a confirmation within a few minutes, refresh the page and try again with the same user ID, or sign into your account separately to verify the subscription status. If you originally started your plan through a mobile app store, remember that billing might be managed there, and updates can take a little time to reflect. Also, if the button seems unresponsive, try a different browser or clear your cache and reattempt. And that's all there is to it. Go to the unsubscribe page, add your user ID, and confirm by selecting unsubscribe from all. Keep your confirmation handy and you're set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you cancel your Getquin subscription quickly and confidently.